Number 4, we have the Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M. The Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M is a versatile and spacious countertop oven that offers excellent value for its price. With a generous 45-liter capacity, it can accommodate up to 18 slices of bread or a whole chicken, making it ideal for large families or entertaining. The French door design adds a touch of elegance and provides easy access to the interior. This oven boasts multiple cooking functions, including convection and rotisserie, allowing for diverse culinary applications. The temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensures precise cooking control. Its 1800-watt power delivers quick and efficient heating. The included accessories, such as wire racks, baking pan, and rotisserie tools, enhance its functionality. While it may be bulky for some kitchens, its ability to replace multiple appliances makes it a practical choice for those seeking a comprehensive countertop cooking solution.